Why you are so stressed out of this sinful world? Hello, friends. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Don't feel frustrated, flustered, and all stressed out in this sinful world. Don't get upset of this sinful world. We all have a work to do. It cannot be denied that we are living in a sinful world. But you have to work on with yourself in prayer, in meditation, learning to surrender it all to God in everything, because this sinful world, we can be stressed out.